Hi everyone. Gemini added a watermark to your image. No problem. I'll show you an easy way to clean it. First, open Gemini. Type any prompt you like. I'm using shark drinking coffee. Click generate and wait a few seconds. Now you can see the Gemini watermark. Download the image. Open the downloaded image, click Edit, then choose the Erase tool. Adjust the brush size if you need to. You can also zoom in. Now brush over the watermark carefully. Wait a second, and it's gone. The image looks clean. No extra apps, no online tools, just Windows photos. If this was helpful, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.